Shot will fire. Ex-boyfriend one side and I watching, but him can't do nothing. I feel pre up.
Def? Man, say upgrade now. You come link with Tyrekevlogs reaction boss now. No. Upgrade them making it. You see me I say, hey, ex-man I look on you so, buckle, I want to be like Tyrekevlogs, you know. You don't know a star. Man, take me girl and that change her. Turn a hot girl. Upgrade. Run tune.
Be a stressing did I give you boy you're free now.
Yeah.
Life sweet yo, wine on the beat now.
Bag bag boom! Boom! What's up YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs aka the reaction boss! And we're with another reaction for you guys. Now we're here with Vybz Kartel with you. Official audio. And the cover work we can see a pretty sexy girl upon it. You don't know like night settings like she give like a night massage and like wind up her butt. Anyways, people comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. We post every single day 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. So you might want to comment from right now. And for the most lit reactions from a Jamaican, the most lit Jamaican reaction channel, you're at the right place. So run up on the like button, guys. You're going for 100 likes on the video here. And you don't know, now 1 and 2 come 1, 3 and 4 and 5 come from everybody. Thank you for love and support as usual. Road to 10K is real. Smash the subscribe button, the people if you're new. And yesterday, when I get a vlog tonight, later today, we go up on the hotel vlog a post. Anyways, this is what I go on the people.
Sweet music.
Yeah.
Cartel. Represent for the girl them.
Boy, we like when I represent for the girl them already, you know. You understand me? Street music, big up yourself, you know. Run tune, people. They don't know they want to get copyright and want to listen to videos, you know. Run tune.
We represent
for the girl them.
New York girl them. London girl them.
Hold on, wait. I'm saying New York girl them. Hold on. So, I represent for girl them from everywhere. Basically. Run tune. Yeah.
London girl them. Represent for the girl them. Sun girl them. Birmingham.
Girl, I'm everywhere them I represent for. I represent for the girl in New York, the girl in London, the girl in Kingston, the girl in
girl them. Hotter than a girl where you do the hairstyle there. Our ages I should get fired.
January. If the girls them are going to come style over man and thing dog, them are style already yet. You understand me? Them are going, hey, let me figure find them hairdresser because them here downtown. God, run tune.
All when you just wake up in the morning, you look good, no pop down and tired.
Aye! For the game, you know, so when you just wake up, you know. Like, you last night, you do a 10, 3, 5, 6, 7 year round, you know. You still wake up, you don't pop down, you don't look tired, like you're ready to do a 10 more round and get it for the next day. Big up on yourself, I want you to talk about. Run tune!
I use Oya, you are use prior. Anything you wear, dear man, I admire.
Deaf? Because the man will say, yo! Anything I tell you put on, if I want pop on scandal bag you put on, the man still look and say, hey, the scandal bag look good for you, girl. That scandal bag say good for you. You see me I say, you care anything you turn be your head, see ya? Yeah. Right tune.
Shot will fire. Ex-boyfriend one side and I watching, but him can't do nothing. I feel pre up.
Deaf? Man say upgrade now, you come link with Tyrekevlogs reaction boss now, no. Upgrade them making it. You see me I say, hey, ex-man I look on you so buckle, I want to be like Tyrekevlogs, you know. You don't know a star. Man, take me girl and that change her. Turn a hot girl. Upgrade. Run tune.
Be a stressing did I give you boy you're free now.
Yeah.
Life sweet yo, wine on the beat now.
Deaf? Bob Buckley, the girl. You see me I say, ex-man did that stress you. So you come link with Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss. You see me I say, your life sweet now, right on the deep now. Deaf? Like last night. Watch your vlog we I post later, 6 o'clock the vlog I post, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock Jamaica time, watch a vlog there. Me and bro didn't go in that bag of thing. Right, June?
Rats I go grand when we reach home. I wanna pop champagne with you. You're so beautiful.
Deaf? Imagine I say a pretty little girl. You're pretty this word champagne popping. Girl, you know you can't go when the man want pop a champagne with you and little girl. You know say your pums up there. You got the high class pum pum them, you know. You know got them low class ladder pum pum there. You got the high class pum pum them. You got the Jeep them where you do them can take off in the summertime pum pum. You understand me I try to say? And them pum pum there you got. Them pum pum there high class. Not them low. Run tune.
I wanna pop champagne with you. I wanna pop champagne with you.
Chano, I can't sing for no. Me hope this song you don't on the album. The more that was when the album drop, I'm gonna review the album. More review be a new song in the Addy. Addy, let me tell you from now on. I pay for the still watch the video and like the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for the guys. If y'all are new, remember we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers and we are going for 10k this year. We want 10k before the year done, you know. You understand me? I don't know why I'm pausing the video. I'm pausing the video for one. We don't want to get black. Come on, want to see the video. And for two, we don't want to get copyright. You know, chop already. Yeah. We don't want to chop, you know. Run tune.
You're so beautiful.
Full.
I wanna pop
Champagne with you.
You know walk and beg like blind man.
Oh no! Look at girl, the man say you don't walk and beg like blind man. You know some girl, all them walk around and beg, you know. You can't be in bus fare. You can't beg $50, sir. Buy one bag just sir. Them girl, no, that not working. We don't beg from man. Girl, don't do it. Run tune.
Your man give you thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
House full of furniture like coach van.
Yeah.
Girl if I die top like squatter.
Well on there. The man say, here man, get $1,000. The man say, your house full of furniture like your coach fan. You know one last man about coach? Oh, true me there, Jamaica, sure. Anyways, people are saying you're going nice for the girls, them Cartel. We like it. It's a good look. The girls, them pump my weight up already. Run through now.
Pop off your tab, don't tag her.
Yeah.
She have a bag of followers, it don't matter.
Bang.
Nah fire, but the teeth them.
Man say, pop a tag, don't tag her. She have way more followers, but that don't matter. You know, some girl ask for the Instagram fame and for the Instagram likes and everything. No, not gonna work out, baby girl. Man, no go for followers again. You know, so some man say, hey, I want that girl is famous. You think that'll work again? That stop where? Famous now, where again? A good pump I do it. Good body girl forget things. Yeah, man, run tune.
Can't do nothing. I feel pre yo.
Yeah.
Be stressing the dog, you boy you're free now.
Yeah.
Life.
Yeah. We see what I go on now. We don't want to hear it again. But the song bad. I like the song. One thing about the song, people. Must give a song out of 1 through 10. Much out of 10 give the song people. Right now, the song look on a good 9 from me. You know? You do me and say the song but let me tell Cartel song a straight 10 man. The song bad no bomb back. And it's that the clash I want to talk today. Because you know so the clash I want to talk today. Every song up there, you know. I know the clash I want to talk today. Run tune.
You're so beautiful. I wanna pop champagne with you. Pop champagne, baby. Be mine.
I dare sing to the girls. People, it's been about Tyrekevlogs. You hear me say now? I have a couple share with me and my girlfriend. Watch out, we will post a vlog later today. First time. I give you the title. The first time dining out since quarantine. You understand? So we bought some food yesterday. I consumed some food yesterday. Little cute couple romantic shit. That's what child. Link down below in the comment section. I'm going to pin it in the comment section. So go and subscribe to that channel. Okay, guys? And help us get to 1,000 subscribers over there. We're at 160 subscribers. Oh my gosh. That's what I really want to be at 1,000. Anyways. And I'm going to post a vlog on this channel later on tonight. Overs. I'm out.